If you're making an explainer on trade, you need a thumbnail that screams clarity. This prompt gives you a clean, clickable design in seconds. This is the exact Sora prompt to generate a modern SEO-optimized YouTube thumbnail for "What is a trade deal?" Ask for a high-resolution 16:9 image, showing two hands shaking center frame, symbolizing an agreement, with subtle flag colors in the background, no real logos. Blend cargo ships, containers, planes, digital trade icons, graphs, arrows, currency symbols around a soft world map or globe. Text: bold and minimal. What is a trade deal? Optional. Explained simply. Keep the palette bright but professional. Blues, whites, orange accents. Request high contrast lighting, cinematic depth, a clean educational style. Think flat plus 3D or realistic digital art. Add technical specs. Ultra high resolution optimized for YouTube discovery, 16:9 aspect ratio, no copyrighted logos or clutter. Quick tip: include clear focal point, the handshake, and large readable text for mobile. Use this prompt as is or tweak keywords like cinematic depth or high CTR to match your channel vibe. Ready to make clicks skyrocket?